All right, this is Bobby Walker. This guy grew his business from nothing. And your goal is 400,000 this year?
The goal is 400,000. I'm gonna fall a little short of it, but yeah. So I'm in month 21.
In month 21. Yep. So tell us your story real quick. I know it echoes a little bit, but so here's a cool story. I was in the corporate world. I found out I was losing my job. Like 3 hours before I found out I was losing my job, I saw one of your videos that said, if you want to start a window cleaning company, buy this stuff at Lowe's. I thought, what kind of self-respecting person would have a window cleaning company? And then I felt the same way.
3 hours later, I found out I was losing my job. So I took your video and drove to Lowe's and bought 2 of everything because my son wanted to do it with me. And 21 months later, we went from like desperation to domination mindset, and we want to take over the world. You know, so we're excited. You know, we're pumped with what we're doing, and we're building our dream.
And then talk about your attendance here at Automate, Grow, Sell, and what you're learning, the breakthroughs that you're having. Because I came in earlier, and you don't have to share if you don't want to, but like you were like experiencing a transformation, like.
Yeah. So, okay. So Automate, Grow, Sell. I don't know. Do they all know kind of what that is at this point again? Yeah. So okay. So Automate, Grow, Sell. I came in here with this goal that is probably going to change as a result, you know, because I'm thinking, well, I'm going to almost do 400 this year, and next year I want to do 800. And I was like, I don't know why, but I want to. And so at this experience, what they're doing is helping me like reverse engineer, you know, what I need to do. And they're saying, okay, well, if we want to do 800,000, we got to do this, 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 and this to get there. And now I'm looking at that and I'm thinking, I'm not so sure that I can do that or that I want to do that. So we're probably going to adjust that goal somewhere between 400 and 800. I don't know where yet, but it's been great because if I was on my own, I probably would have just left. I haven't changed the goal yet, but I probably would have just left it there and then probably had some struggle and undue disappointment as a result. So it's been really good for me.
That's amazing. And then you started a podcast that's helping a lot of people, and I'm going to be on it soon.
Yes, yeah.
This is going to be awesome. What's the name of the podcast?
So the podcast is called Journey of a New Entrepreneur.
I heard people like love it. They're like, dude, it's like
you know.
I'd
like to think so. Yeah,
realness, right?
The bottom line is this: is all I've done on the podcast and the YouTube channel is the same name. Is I've just tried to kind of like share my journey because, and actually I was inspired by your channel. Because when I saw you just being real and talking about your struggles and stuff like that, you know, I decided that I wanted to, I really just wanted to do like a video diary, like for my own purpose, and then just kind of let other people see it, because I knew how scared I was and how stressed I was trying to start a business, and I thought, you know what, I want to be vulnerable like you were, so other people can kind of rally around that and get their own confidence and own motivation to do their thing as well. So my stuff isn't a how-to, it's just more of a like, here's what it's like being a dad with 3 kids and a wife and 2 dogs and just trying to make it work and chase your dream kind of thing.
Wow. Yeah. A wife and 3 kids and 2 dogs.
2 dogs, yeah.
Journey of an Entrepreneur, that's the name of it.
Yeah, Journey of a New Entrepreneur.
Journey of a New Entrepreneur, that's amazing, dude.
Yeah, okay. And it's awesome meeting you, Keith. Like, you're why I'm here, bro. It's like, you're why I'm doing this, so it's awesome. So, love it. I can't wait to talk to you more.
Bobby Walker.
Did I say? I'm sorry.
Yeah, you got it.